Hello YouTube, it's Buzz Eric here with a little bit of a different video. Today, I'm guessing you can tell by the title, I'm going to be documenting my tobacco growth in Western Washington. So far, what I have set up in here is a little greenhouse thing that I bought from a hardware store. I have an old tub of mine that I've drilled holes in, and I bought these grow lights. There's about 4 of them, but I'm only using 2 for this. And I got them zip tied to the top. I got a little hole, 2 holes drilled through here. This is plugged in there. I got my little space heater to maintain temperature. I planted 3 different seeds. I planted some Habano 2000 all the way over there. The middle is a Virginia Gold. Over here, you can't really see it because of the condensation, is Kentucky Burley. I planted them on Monday, and today's a Wednesday. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how this goes. Hopefully I can actually get some growth, and stay tuned.